Hannover Messe 23 ended last week with a great success for VMware. Let me show you 3 solution demos which pushed manufacturing shop floor automation on a new level.
The robotic arm demo created by Intel was the highlight and led to crowds on the VMware booth. The robot still grabs the orange gears, sort them, and new also quality inspect them. The cycling time for the robot controller is now at 2 milliseconds. This is possible with real-time virtualized workloads and container applications. Also, the human interfaces and edge servers got a refresh. Human-robot interactions are controlled by an additional camera, which slows down the robot movements to not harm the person. VMware's HBU team has created this tiny little solution to demonstrate how easy and fast it is from application code to edge devices like the Raspberry Pico, which is used here. Mainly, we are using a Git repository, a Flux CD, which is deployed using Tanzu Mission Control and Kubernetes on the edge device. Team C installs the Flux CD components in the edge-optimized Tanzu Kubernetes grid. Our Git repository is monitored by Flux and the new OT image versions are packaged. A pod with the new image is deployed and updates the OT application in the microcontroller, the Pico, to display a new image. In a nutshell, code changes are detected after the commit and packaged and deployed automatically. Standardization and automation leads to minimal effort and quick results. The demo created by Kyndryl is a predictive maintenance demo at the far edge. The wind turbine is monitored by a thermal imaging camera. If the heat goes up, the turbine stops immediately. AI models are used to learn normal and abnormal behavior. After stopping the simulated heat, the turbine starts working again. Damage and fires can be prevented at remote locations. Maintenance and environmental damages are reduced dramatically. The container applications are running on a VMware tiny Kubernetes grid on a small edge server in real time. The infrastructure is deployed, managed and maintained from a central control center.